Hazrat Saeed bin Jubair radiyallahu anhu narrates that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu interpreting Allah's saying, La tuharrik bihi lisanaka lita'ajala bihi, has said, when Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam would visit Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam with revelation, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam would move his tongue and both lips, which caused him disturbance visible even to the others. Thereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed in the chapter Qiyamah, Move not your tongue with the Quran that you may hasten to learn it. Undoubtedly, it is upon us to preserve it and to recite. So when we have already recited it, follow then its recital. Listen it attentively when we reveal it. Then it is upon us to make clear its minute details. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, It is upon us to make you explain it by your own tongue. He says, when Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam would come with revelation, he alayhi salam would lower down his head, and when he would go, he alayhi salam would recite it as as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had promised him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5044.